Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Jeremy at ibl.ai, and today I have a very quick video for you. This is how you can access the chat history of a specific mentor within your private environment and see all of the conversations that users are having with that mentor. So what you're seeing right here is a private environment on the Mentor AI platform. A couple of things that you are going to see as soon as you log in is obviously this chat interface right here in the center of the screen. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the logo for the environment that you're working within. You'll see this Explore tab, and I'll show you a little bit more about that in a second. The New Chat tab, which will just start a new creation with the mentor that you're working with, an option to create a new mentor, and an option to invite users to the platform. And underneath that, you're going to see all of the recent chat histories that you have within this environment itself. On the upper left-hand corner of the chat interface screen, you're going to see a little icon right here, a person icon, the name of your mentor, and an arrow that is going to allow you to open a drop-down menu to access all of the back-end settings for the mentor that you're currently communicating with. In the center of the screen here is a drop-down that's going to allow you to swap which LLM is attached to your mentor and which one they're using to communicate with. And then on the far right-hand corner, you're going to see another little person icon. This drop-down menu is going to allow you to access all of the different environments that you are a member of on the platform, as well as log out. And this little settings wheel is going to open the entire back-end settings for all of the mentors within this environment. But for the purpose of this video, the first thing I'm going to show you is this Explore tab on the left-hand side of the screen. So when you open this tab, this is going to show you all of the mentors that you have available to you within this environment. If there is a specific mentor you'd like to look for, all you have to do is type their name within this search bar right here, and the Explore tab will automatically filter for that and pull up the mentor that you're looking for. Now, to communicate with a mentor, all you have to do is select the mentor from this Explore tab. But since we are already working with the AI pre-matriculation mentor, all I have to do is just go back to the screen we were on before. And you'll see that the mentor is giving you a brief greeting and a couple of suggested prompts to interact with that mentor and begin your conversation. So to access the chat history, you're going to come into this little drop-down menu right next to the mentor's name in the upper left-hand corner. So just select that arrow, and you're going to see all of the back-end settings and functions for this mentor. So to access your chat history, you're going to select History, and that is going to pull up this screen, which will show you all of the chat history for all of the users who have been interacting with this mentor. And as you can see at the top of the screen here, you can actually filter to find specific messages by entering a date range that those messages would have existed in. And you can also select which topic you would like to filter by. The only 3 topics that I've worked with this mentor so far on are healthcare factors, medical industry, or minimalism, but that's just one additional feature that we incorporate to make sure that you're getting the most specific results as possible in regards to your mentor's chat history. And on the far right-hand side of the screen right here, this little blue icon, that just allows you to export all of the chat histories that you currently have with the mentor into an easy-to-use PDF should you need to reference back to it at any point. So thank you so much for tuning in today. It's been a pleasure showing you how to use the Mentor AI platform, and that is how you access your mentor's chat history. Thank you so much for tuning in.